Login failed on Emma Fix. If your Emma app won't let you log in, don't worry, this happens more often than you think. Most people believe it's a password problem, but the surprising truth is that Emma login failures are usually caused by outdated app versions, expired banking permissions, or network settings. Let's fix it together, step by step. Start with your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable, private network. Avoid public Wi-Fi or VPNs, as they can block Emma's connection to its authentication servers. Switch to mobile data if necessary and retry logging in. Next, check for app updates. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Emma Money Management, and tap Update. Emma frequently releases bug fixes for lock-in issues, so keeping your app up to date is essential. If your Emma account is linked to your bank, your open banking permission may have expired. These permissions automatically expire every 90 days for security reasons. To fix it, open the app, select your bank account, and tap Reconnect. You'll be redirected to your bank's login page to reauthorize access. Once complete, Emma should log in without issues. If the login screen keeps freezing, try clearing your app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps, Emma Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, simply reinstall the app. Your account will remain intact. Still not working? Try resetting your password. Tap Forgot Password. Follow the instructions and use the latest email from Emma. Older links will no longer work. After logging back in, enable biometric login for faster and more reliable access in the future. So, if Emma says login failed, don't stress. Whether it's an expired bank connection, a simple update, or a security timeout, these fixes will get you back to tracking your finances and spending smarter in no time.